The government has welcomed the decision by the Employment and Labor Relations Court to allow all government procurement, accounting and finance officers to proceed on a 30-day compulsory leave to allow their employer time to vet them afresh. This is after the court set aside an earlier order it had issued stopping the vetting.
All government heads of accounting, finance and procurement units will now have to hand over to their deputies and go for a 30-day compulsory leave to allow fresh vetting on their integrity. Justice Onesmus Macau of the Employment and Labor Relations Court quashed an earlier order the court had issued stopping the vetting.
Order number 2, which suspended the circular number OP/CAB.39/1A of 4th June 2018, issued by the first respondent, is hereby set aside. 2. Order number 3, which prohibited the implementation of the said circular, is varied.
After President Uhuru Kenyatta during his Madaraka Days address directed all finance and procurement officers to be vetted afresh, activist Okia Omtata moved to the same court and secured an order stopping it. However, the court has established that the order was issued without all the facts having been presented in court. Failure by Omtata to disclose to the court the fact that he had a pending case against Head of Public Service Joseph Kinyua. The court has extended the deadline for the officers to submit the required information for vetting for an extra 10 days.
The default clause against the concerned employees who for just cause will not be able to present the required information within 10 days from the date hereof, that is to say, by 22nd June 2018.
In a statement to newsrooms, the government spokesman Eric Raithe welcomed the court decision, saying the government views corruption as a matter of grave national concern and that all public and private institutions owe it to Kenyans to support the renewed war on graft.
Those who shall fail the vetting will stand suspended. I expect this exercise to be concluded before the start of the new financial year, 2018-2019.
With slightly less than a year in power in the second term, the Jubilee administration is dogged by multi-billion shilling scandals. The vetting of the officers is part of the president's strategy to slay the corruption menace choking his administration. According to the court, every employer has a right to send their employees on compulsory leave as long as the same staff are given reasons. Giving reasons is a basic human right. Vincent Oduor, NTV.